What's good, y'all? I got this Suburban. I wanted to bring it to y'all. I don't see a whole lot of Suburban content, at least not the round body. So I just wanted to put this video together, show y'all a little bit of the things that I've done over time. You dig? All right, we got a 2003 Suburban. I got it from my brother. He bought it brand new, so basically it's been in the family for a long time. It needs a lot of work, paint. It's not staying like this. If you're seeing this now, it's already different. But I'm just showing you from the beginning to the end. All right. So we got 72,000 miles on an '03. So to me, it was worth it to put the money into it. As soon as I got it, when it got it detailed, cleaned it up. I thought I could kind of bring the paint to life again a little bit. That didn't work out. You know what I'm saying? I sat it next to the Infinity. That's what we did. We went straight to work. All right. You see that tape on the door handle, man? It was crazy. I mean, it needed a lot of work. I changed all the lights. I changed everything on here. You feel me? So to me, these brake lights brought it back to life. You know what I'm saying? Or at least put some life into it. You feel me? So hella bright. Even though it's tinted, you can still see real good. You feel me? So fixed the door handle, changed the whole motor assembly or whatever for the driver's side, because it was not going up or down. Well, wasn't going down. It was just stuck up. We changed the headlights. You're looking at this now, but I already got a whole different type of headlight now. But at the time, you know, I thought I was on. At least that was a nice little upgrade from them yellow joints that was on there already. You feel me? Hella yellow, just it wasn't what it was supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we switched those out. Well, I switched those out, and that brought it back to life a little bit. There's a little night clip of what it looked like outside. It was pretty cool for the time. This is like 2 years ago. It was pretty cool for the time being. You know, I didn't really like the yellow joints. I ended up changing that to some switchbacks. Even though I changed the entire headlight assembly itself, but I changed the bulb as well. Them little license plates, like hella bright. Probably one of the more favorite things that I've done so far that I like, aside from the tail lights, because those was hard to me. All right, y'all. So I don't want this video to be too long. I'm breaking this up in parts of everything I've done. So everything right here you see is like lights and stuff like that. Stay tuned. Subscribe to your boy. I think the next video y'all really gonna like to see that. So until next time.